timeless Mediterranean mansion in the heart of Paradise Valley, Arizona. Some use the phrase resort-like, and yet some are actually lucky enough to live in a resort custom home for the family. This spectacular residence is the latter. The Royal Palms of Paradise Valley is gently hidden behind a long private gated drive. Your first response from the moment you arrive at this masterful showpiece is guaranteed to be, wow. And once you've truly taken in the beauty of each and every living space, it may actually leave you momentarily speechless. Featured in Phoenix Home and Garden magazine, this timeless Mediterranean estate features a detached guest house, basement theater, wine cellar for over 1K bottles, and billiards bar. This home exudes charm and entertainment options galore. The phenomenal home theater, professional-grade gym, authentic wine cellar, and sprawling grounds are nothing shy of perfection, and just a taste of the privilege of living here. Split floor plan, an ultra-private master wing with professional weight studio and lavish master bathroom. The home was listed at $7 million and sold for $5,600,000.